Hey students, welcome to class today. My voice is still pretty rough, so I'll do the best I can to talk. Hopefully you can hear me. Let's go ahead and get started. You'll have your core objective quiz on Friday. I'm not sure what they call those tests. They count for a quiz grade, so I'm going to call it a quiz. Your core objective quiz is Friday. Don't study for it. Don't stress over it. I will make sure I grade it very fairly. Just come in Friday ready to take your test. Okay, no big deal. Go ahead and turn in your review sheets. Please stop right now and make sure your name is on it. Also, please do not turn it in if you did not do the entire review sheet. I'm not being mean, but I don't want to waste my time on grading it if you did not do the entire thing, okay? So, please turn in your review sheets if you did the entire review sheet and also put your name on, okay? You know, I've been going over incompletes all week. I'm going to skip that today to save time, okay? Okay, go ahead at this time and pause the video and pass out the test. After everyone has a test on their desk, go ahead and restart the video. Okay, here we go. For numbers 1 through 11, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Please notice that you have a word bank on the last page, okay? So make sure that you use your word bank and fill in the blanks correctly. Numbers 12 and 13 are just listing problems. Hopefully you studied. I told you these would be on there. Hopefully you studied and memorized these lists, okay? Notice on number 14, the vertical line, the line that goes up and down, is not labeled. Label that line P, okay? The vertical line is P. I apologize for not putting this on the test. Notice for numbers 15 and 16, they're like the problems we had of the quiz when I gave you one angle and you had to find the measurement of all of the other numbered angles. You can do this, guys. Remember, if there's an angle here, it's 100 degrees. You guys know how to find all the rest of these, okay? So you should be able to find the answers to the numbered angles I'm asking you to find, okay? Numbers 17 through 19. For number 17 through 19, look back at number 13. When you look back at number 13, you will see 6 ways to prove that lines are parallel. You will use one of these 6 ways for your answers for numbers 17 through 19. So the answer to 17 is one of those 6 options. The answer to 18 is one of those 6 options. The answer to 19 is one of those 6 options. 6 options from number 13, okay? All right. For numbers 20 and 21, they might be the 2 toughest on the test. All that I can say is you need to figure out what 7x minus 1 needs to be set equal to, okay? You've got to figure that out and then solve it. You also need to figure out what to do with 5x and 3x plus 28, okay? Either you set them equal or you might add them. Add them and set them equal to something. I don't know. That's for you to know, okay? And that's the best I can say on those 2 problems. Lastly, numbers 22 through 25, these numbers are identical to the question I asked you yesterday on your quiz. So I'm not trying to be tough, but there really isn't anything I can say about these except do numbers 22 through 25 just like you did on the quiz, okay? Now, guys, listen. If you were absent yesterday, I believe I said, if you were absent yesterday, you may miss the quiz, the test today. That's fine. Starting next Monday, no one in any of my classes, I'm not picking on you guys, no one in any of my classes is allowed to miss a test or a quiz just because they were absent, okay? Unless you're absent on the day we take a test or a quiz. And the reason I'm getting tough on you guys is you're supposed to watch the videos at home when you're absent, okay? It's your job to do that, guys. You don't miss these, okay? All right. So, that's it. Have a great day. I hope you do well on your test. I am here to help you. I will have these graded no later than Friday. Contact me if you have any questions.